Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we want to talk about very special and important topic, which is your own balance, find your axis during the figures.
A lot of technique in this video, so get ready and let's start to work. But before this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you didn't do so.
Now let's go to the video.
Okay, here in the dance floor, we would like to explain to you what we are talking about in the axis. Yes. So at this moment, what we are taking a look is that we can be center, like each one is on its own axis. We can be a little more front for both of us. Tack, can you see that she's pushing me and I'm pushing her just slightly, not much, not being heavy. And we use this to walk front for the leader, back for the follower. Third option is her being a little more back and the leader as well, pulling a little bit back. If we exaggerate, this can be used for colgadas and many other things.
So basically, body weight, let's move a little bit to the center so they can see this. Body weight, if we position our upper body between the feet, we are going to be centered and not connecting. To connect with the partner, we move our ribs to the toe, and then we have connection and we are feeling each other. We are not using the arms, we are using only the connection, and this is just moving our ribs to the toes. So I will get us closer to the toes. And we can also move the back part of our head, not the ribs, not the front part. Think about the back part of your head to your heels. So that will keep the position of your shoulders in good position, elegant, but you are placing yourself on your heels. When we have, if you do this with another person, you will feel how you create tension, and we use this for some figures. Yeah. So it's only moving yourself front position on the toes, in the middle of your feet, or back to your heel, balancing. We are not doing this or this.
Yeah, that happened a lot. It looks very...
This.
It looks like they exaggerate, but a lot of people, they are afraid of the contact here and they go like, yep.
So that means heavy, you feel this heavy. So the change you have to practice by yourself is on my toes, ribs, on my toes, center, back part of our head on our heel. That will keep the shoulders in position, and just experience this. Front, center, back. See how much we can move without doing any step.
And without leaning on our partner, without being heavy on our partner. We can lean a little bit. Look, for example, I'm really leaning, she's really leaning. But if I move apart from her here, she will still be in axis. I will move here, look. She's still pushing a lot. But if I move away one more time, back, she's still in axis. She's not depending on me in a way that if I move, she will collapse, boom, to the floor.
Knowing these three places, you can use it for steps. For example, walking forward for the leader and walking back for the follower. We are going to go to the toe for both. I have my body weight follower on my toe and the ribs on my toe. So when he moves forward, I'm feeling the lead on my chest, and that will make me feel the timing. I'm walking backwards, but my torso is on my toe. It's a little bit front. So we create very good connection and very much feeling the timing of the leader. And the leader is feeling our body completely 100% of the time when we are walking backwards.
Challenge for you. Get your partner, whatever, if you are a leader of a follower, walk like we just did and check if you are bouncing or not here. If this happened, it's because you are not maybe getting this properly. If this happened, this is not a good thing. Tack, 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 falling back. I'm sorry, Miri, that I push you. So if you have that kind of bump, it's not good. So almost like you should be able to put a piece of paper here and not let it fall and hold it.
try to that exercise that Leo's mentioning without using the arms. You get together, connect, and walk in this way, feeling each other's timing and connection from your chest, but not much from arms, and try to keep the same speed and timing and connection through the walk. So that's a very good exercise to feel this position. Now, if we go back to the heel, so if I place my the back part of my head on my heel and the leader does the same,
Yep.
we are going to create this extension, expansion, tension. See, I'm pulling him because I go back to my heel, and he's pulling me because he goes back with the back part of the head. So we use this, for example, when I do front ochos. From ochos, I have the body weight mostly on my back, on my heels, and not going front much, only with my leg. But all the time, if we wait, I'm wearing back, with the head, back of my head on my heel, and not front. I'm not going front. I'm not going front. See, the sensation have to be, you are back, extending the leg, back with the head back part of the head on your heels. The same for the leader.
Look at just the basic step. Let us show you very, very quick. Pam, basic step. I will do it in cross system. Look, she's pushing me. I'm pushing her. Front ocho. Look how we change from pushing to pulling. If I want to exaggerate this, tac, tac, pushing again. Pam,